Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to split a table in Outlook. For that, we are going to cover in the Outlook desktop application. So this is my Outlook desktop application where I have created the table. So if I want to split the table, make sure the mouse cursor in layout option and click on these three dots. And if you click on the split table, so one step down the table will be split, means comes down. So if you forget to add some title to the table, you can add it here. So next, if you want to split the table, like if you want to split this two columns, now click on this, select this and again click on this option, like under the layout option, and click on the split table. So in between, if you want to add something or write something as sentences, you can add it. So for this reason, we are splitting the table. So if you want to split the cells, so click on this and click on this option split cells. So it will ask for the how many columns it should be split. So if I'm giving like 3 columns, it will be split with, already it is in 3. So if I want to split like 5 columns or 6 columns, so columns will be splitted with 6. So if I want to merge it back again, click on this merge cell, so it will be back to the normal. So this is how we have to split the table, split the cells and merge the cells in the Outlook online table from the Outlook desktop application. So if I want to add some columns, select the table here and select the layout option here. If I want to add it to the right, and click on the right, so the right side the column is getting added. And if I want to add it in the left, so here the left side the columns is getting added. So this is how we have to make changes in the Outlook online in the desktop application for the table features. I hope you understood this video. For more video like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get the more notification. Thank you.